Hey, it's Jeff with Century 21 Ocean. I'm over here at 35 Fillmore. Satellite Beach Townhouse. Great location. A few minutes to the beach. Close to Patrick Space Force. Very spacious. Great looking luxury vinyl flooring. Downstairs bath. Great under stairwell storage there. Great looking kitchen, granite countertops. One car garage. Have an enclosed lanai for year-round use. Really sharp. And then you've got this great outdoor deck area. Great gathering space. Get some sun on a sunny day. It's a little overcast today. Additional storage here. For bikes, surfboards, kayaks. Great looking home, great location, A-rated schools. And it's in Satellite Beach, which is Florida's safest city. Low HOA fees. Newer carpet upstairs. Brand new AC unit for this home. Really cute. Super clean and bright.